I'm in Harajuku, which is another interesting area in Tokyo. There's just so many interesting areas, and in this video I'm going to show what it is like in the Harajuku area. Just outside the station, Harajuku Station, is what would be the main street, Takeshita Street. And Harajuku is kind of known for young clothing, trendy clothing, and also its own version of culture. If you look up the Harajuku culture, this came from essentially this street and the streets around this area. So a lot of younger folks looking for clothing here, and actually I think now the area has developed almost even more of, it's just people come to see it more than anything. Like, it's a tourist attraction in itself. There's a dog cafe. Cute little dog. Harajuku is actually only one stop away from Shibuya on the Yamanote line. A lot of pet cafes around here. Pig. Is that a dog or a pig? Oh, no filming. You gotta pay. Can't film. Looks like a cross between a pig and a dog. I don't know. Oh, okay, so Harajuku is where a lot of the dog cafes, the pet cafes are. Photography is only allowed inside the store. Makes sense. They got a business to run. So this is what it's like in Harajuku. Building is Universal Music. Cool. That main part of the street, right when you get out of the subway train station, so busy. and so many good restaurants. I love being in Tokyo. Definitely a little bit more chill down here. Oh, it's just so much fun to walk around in Tokyo. There are a lot of people who specifically buy suitcases when they're here and fill it up with clothing and other stuff, and I see why. It's just I always travel pretty light, but when you come to Tokyo, it's just like, oh, that's what you want to do. You want to buy a full other suitcase so you can load it with things before you leave. As you get away from the busy spot, it kind of gets more like upscale fashion. This is a popular store. With all the millions of stores in Tokyo, and people even lining up to get into that one specific store. Very interesting area here. Wow, there's a shipping container. Multiple shipping containers. How picturesque is this little alley? So yeah, this area is really changes quickly from the further you get away from the station. It gets a lot more chill. We got another interesting place to walk around, Harajuku, and like many of the neighborhoods in Tokyo, if you're into clothing, this would be a good place to come and buy the coolest, trendiest clothing. coffee shops everywhere too. If you enjoyed this video on what it is like in Harajuku, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and we will see you in the next video. Peace.